So let's start with our room number. We are in cabin 661.
No.
We're in cabin 7661 aboard Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas. So step in here. As you know, the time is now 1 o'clock. Our baggage will not be delivered until 3 o'clock onwards. Come in. Come in. Close the door behind you. You're letting the cool air out. Once you walk into the room, you have your light switch. You do not need a card to keep your lights on in this room. You have a closet with your safe, a couple of shelves, your life jackets, hangers, all of the above here. It's a little compact, but that's okay. You do have some hooks up there for your belongings, but make sure that it's very small belongings or something that fits against the wall or your door may not open. Alright, here you have the bathroom with more hooks for your towels. We're gonna walk in and you have this lovely mirror. I love this. With your medicine cabinet here. Cups for your gargling or whatever you like to use those cups for. I'm assuming that it's supposed to be some tissue, however there is nothing there. A little bin here for whatever you would like to store in there. You have your toilet tissue, towels, sanitary disposal, a little garbage can underneath there. Over here to your right, my left, we have the shower. That opens and closes as such. It's a little circular little area here. You have your hair body wash right here, your shower head, turn it on. You have a clothesline right here. Nothing to put your leg on to shave or anything, but you know, it's okay, it's all right. You have a towel rack and then towels here, your toilet. Nothing fancy, but it'll get the job done for the next 3 days, 3 nights, however long it is. So after we get out of the compact bathroom, we have this lovely mirror here, which I happen to like personally. We have a thermostat here. Let's go ahead and turn it down a little bit more. We have, does that open? Oh, that does open. And there's a lot of mirrors in here, which I'm not complaining about. What is this? Announcement channel. Interesting. So you can turn the announcement channel on or turn it off, I'm assuming. Interesting. Okay. You have outlets here at the bottom. Your lights that you can turn on and off. There's another side storage here, as well as a little piece of storage above the TV. So with this vanity, you do get a chair, which, you know, normally they have like stools now, but you have a chair with a little waste bucket down there at the bottom. You have, oh look, here's the tissue that was missing at the bathroom. You have tissue here and a couple of more drawers if you like to unpack like Phil.
Not on the 3-day. It's a 3-day. I won't unpack.
He ain't unpack on
I didn't unpack
either.
On the last 3 days. Don't do that.
He ain't unpack on the 7th.
We didn't have enough. Okay. We didn't have enough room. We didn't have enough room.
You have your hair dryer that you will plug in. This is not connected to the drawer. And more storage here at the bottom. Ooh. It's a little hard to open, but it's okay. A little oil won't do better. Here you have your cooler, refrigerator, whatever you want to call it. It's not really cold, but luckily we don't need it this trip, right? Because PJ's not here. We have our, well, maybe we do need it, right? Because we got the sodas. But ice is available upon request, okay? So if you need ice, just let your room steward know and they will get you ice. Over here to my right, we have a couch. A wonderful picture a light fixture. And then turn with me, turn with me, turn with me. We have a bed. But not only do we have a bed, we have curtains to close this bed off. Now, why would we need to close this bed off? I don't know. But Phil likes the idea of the curtains. So, I mean, hey.
You did too.
We got
front.
And again, another mirror. We have a lot of mirrors. Ton of mirrors in here. Is that some like little storage space on the mirror?
A shelf.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. And then on the side, we have our nightstands. The phone is next to the bed. Drawers. No outlets. But we do have the reading lights and lamps. So last but not least, we do have a TV that swivels. I mean, I don't know if we close the curtain, how well we're going to see the TV. But I think if we push the curtain back a little bit, we should be able to see.
Or pull the curtain on the back of the TV.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Push it back and cap it off a little bit. We should be able to see the TV, which is great. Because, you know, I like to watch my TV.
Your Hallmark Christmas movies.
I don't even know if they have Hallmark, but if they do,
you ain't coming out this room.
you know what I'm gonna be for the Christmas tree lighting. Okay. So that concludes the room tour aboard Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas, Stateroom 7661, an interior room, as you can tell. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more because we have a lot more in store.